Today we'll start other features of the Mendel codominance. In this condition, both the alleles for a character are dominant and express its full character is called codominance. And the very good example is AB blood group of human being. Blood group in humans are controlled by three alleles of a gene I. They are IA, IB and small I. In that, A and B are the dominant and small I, that is the recessive gene. The avial locus is located on the chromosome number 9. IA is responsible for the production of antigen A, IB is responsible for the production of antigen B, and a small I does not produce any antigen. That's why it possesses the recessive gene, feature of recessive genes. See the karyotype of human chromosome. All the 23 pairs of human chromosomes shown in this picture. 9q34 is the location or locus of the avios gene on the chromosome number 9, which codes for the avio blood group. Now are the various genotype of blood groups. IA and IB are codominant and dominant over small I. For blood group A, the genotype IA or IA and small I, homozygous and heterozygous condition. For blood group B, IB and IB or IB and small I, homozygous B and heterozygous B. For AB group of blood, IA and IB is the genotype. In this condition, both the gene, the allelic form of gene A and B are present and shows their features. So the blood group is AB. And this is the example of codominance. For the blood group O, the recessive gene small I is present. The genotype of blood group O is small I. So for the 4 types of blood group, there are 6 types of genotype. For blood group A and B, two types, that means 4, and 1 for AB and 1 for O group, and total genotype for the blood group is 6. See the crosses of blood groups, codominance, when the blood group A crossed with blood group A. So there may be the chances, possible genotype AA, A and O, means 4 types of genotypes. Blood group B and B, again B, that is the phenotype, B and O. Possible genotype, that is both the partners are having the dominant genotype of B, then one partner having the dominant B and heterozygous B, and another combination that may be heterozygous B. For AB blood group cross, the condition is AB only, and for blood group O, the condition is only O, only one type of possible phenotype. See the child, if the parent, one parent is group A, another is group A, the child may be A or O. Second condition, one parent is A, another is B, there may be the chances of blood group in the child A, B, AB and O. So like this, in different combinations are shown in this diagram. In this table, you can see the child of different groups of blood groups in different parents. Now see the inheritance of two genes. In this case, two pair of contrasting character, that is in this hybridization, and the Mendel's second law, that is the law of independent assortment, that can be explained through this dihybrid cross. It states that factors for different pairs of contrasting character in a hybrid assorted independently during gamete formation. Mendel's second law can be explained by dihybrid cross, the cross between the two parents which differs in two pairs of contrasting character. See the example dihybrid cross. In this, round yellow seed of pea plant is crossed with the wrinkled green seed of the pea plant. Genotype of round yellow, capital RR YY, and wrinkled green, small rr, small yy. And the gametes produced respectively capital RY and small ry. In the F1 generation, all the plants having the round yellow types of seed. In that, round yellow is dominating feature, but the seeds are hybrid. In the second generation, when the progeny of F1 generation is self-crossed, then the ratio is 9:3:3:1. That is the phenotypic ratio. In that, 9 and 1 having the parental feature, and two new features are formed in F2 generation. The two features are round green and wrinkled yellow, that is produced in the F2 generation. Dihybrid test cross. F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive green wrinkled pea plant. Recessive green wrinkled small r y y. Gametes is ry. F1 hybrid, there are 4 types of gametes are formed in the F1 as shown in the picture, and The phenotypic ratio of dihybrid test cross is 1:1:1:1. Now see the chromosomal theory of inheritance. It was proposed by Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri. They work out the chromosome movement during the meiosis. The movement behavior of chromosomes was parallel to the behavior of genes. The chromosomes movement is used to explain Mendel's law. The knowledge of chromosomal segregation with the Mendelian principle is called chromosomal theory of inheritance. According to this, chromosomes and genes are present in pairs in diploid cells. Homologous chromosomes separate during gamete formation, that is meiosis. Fertilization restores the chromosome number to diploid condition. T.H. Morgan, Thomas Hunt Morgan and his colleague conducted experimental verification of chromosome theory of inheritance. Morgan worked with tiny fruit flies. There is a Drosophila melanogaster. That's why T.H. Morgan is known as father of Drosophila genetics. Drosophila is a fruit fly. He selected Drosophila because it is suitable for genetic studies. Grown on simple synthetic medium in the laboratory, they complete their life cycle in about 2 weeks. A single mating could produce a large number of progeny flies. Clear differentiation of male and female flies. Many types of hereditary variations can be seen with low power of microscope. Yes, why T.H. Morgan has selected Drosophila? Because Drosophila possesses all the features which are required for the study of genetics. For the study of genetics, some basic features are required. Means that organism must have a small size, that is easy for handle. Second point, their life cycle must be short, and they must possess variation. And fourth point, there must be the production of large number of progeny. So in the case of Mendel also, pea plant was very suitable for the study of genetics. Like this Drosophila is also very much suitable for the study of genetics.